did it.
You did it, baby?
Yes.
You were singing and playing Elmo Size? And playing that guitar?
Yes. I want to see me.
You want to see you?
Yes.
Get back in there and sing, and then I'll show you afterwards. Should we play that Elmo Size song again? Oh, you're playing it with your teeth?
I'm putting a kiss in me.
You want to see you?
I can't go this way.
Can't do it this way? Should we play that Elmo Size song again? Here, let's see what we got here. Does that look cool?
I'm sad.
You're sad, yeah. Do that again. Let me see you be sad again. Alright, now let me see you be happy. Okay, let's see if that Elmo Size song is on.
I want to see me.
Well, let's see you in a minute. Let's dance to Elmo Size.
It's fun. Good. Buddy. 40. I go to up there.
What, baby?
I go up there.
You want to go up there?
Uh-oh. Somebody.
Are you gonna sing?
Ow!
Sing so you can see yourself singing.
Chose. Ready to move it. Your body rise.
Step back, you're too close. There, that's good.
I'm a step it, run, ready, run, do it. Fun. Ew. Ready to keep moving. Here, body rise. It's time two more size. Big body. Size. How much size? Body. Size. Yay!
Great job, cutie. I loved it. I love that. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.